Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello children, welcome back. Myself Tulu Bhaiji. In a study table today we are going to learn about the Constitution of India. Constitution Day or Samvidhan Divas, also known as National Law Day, is celebrated in India on 26 November every year to commemorate the adoption of the Constitution of India. The Constitution of India. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political, liberty of thoughts, expressions, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individuals and the unity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949 do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution. Hence, let's have a detailed points about the Indian Constitution today. The Indian Constitution is the longest in the world. It took around 2 years, 11 months, and 17 days for the Assembly to finish writing the entire Constitution, and that too handwritten. The Constitution is the supreme law of India. It is a document which describes the rights and duties of its citizens and the way in which it is governed. The preamble can be referred to as a preface which highlights the entire Constitution, like an introduction to all things. It clearly states what power the government has over the citizens, as well as the rights and duties of the citizens towards the country. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the principal architect of the Indian Constitution and Independence India's first law minister. The Indian Constitution is unique in its features. Also, many of its features have been borrowed from the various countries, other countries like United States of America, France, Ireland, Australia, Japan, and Canada. Do you know that the Indian Constitution is the world's longest for a sovereign nation as it touches every aspect of the life? Since the formation of the Constitution on 6 November 1949, about 100 amendments have been made. Amendment means the changes. Though India became a free nation on August 15, 1947, it declared itself a sovereign democratic and republic state with the adoption of the Constitution on January 26, 1950. And that is the reason why we celebrate India's Republic Day on 26 January every year. The Constitution of India guarantees certain basic rights that are essential to the well-being of every citizen. These are known as fundamental rights. The preamble to the Constitution of India is a brief introductory statement that sets out guidelines which guides the people of the nation and to present the principle of the Constitution and to indicates the source from which the documents derive its authority and meaning. Thank you so much.